So in today's video, we're gonna see how we can download Spotify on our Mac/Windows directly. As you know that if you go inside of Spotify's website, we cannot download Spotify DMG or Spotify EXE directly, but here is a secret, simple way to download all of those EXE or DMG very easily. So what you need to do is very simple. In the description there is a link for the Windows one and there is a link for the Mac one. If you are using a Apple MacBook, then simply click on the Mac version of the link, or if you are using a Windows PC, then you should click on the Windows link, and after that your download will start automatically. As you can see, the download started automatically. After that, let it download, simply install it, and you are good to go to use Spotify. So that is how easy it is to install Spotify on your Mac/Windows 10 PC very easily. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys really did, be sure to like this video, be sure to share this video if any of your friends need this one, and if you want to see things like this or more from me, then you should consider subscribing. Goodbye.